what is a brand new laser to the market now that actually helps patients remove fat without any surgery.
Without going into the body and getting at the fat.
That's right. It actually.
How does it do that?
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I'll answer that question for you in just 1 second, but let me tell you, how it came about was the doctors were starting to experiment and use it with liposuction. And what they were finding was when they were using the laser just prior to liposuction, that fat was coming out easier. They were actually extracting more fat from the body, and there was less bleeding. And so they started experimenting with lasers and just realized that actually what was happening is the lasers were actually allowing the fat cell to open up and dump out its contents. So now they've made this laser actually available to us to allow this to offer this to patients so that you can lose up to 3 to 5 inches in just 6 treatments. 6 treatments every other day, 2 weeks, 3 to 5 inches of lying on a table in a bikini or in your shorts, and it completely melts the fat away. No downtime. Wow. There's no bleeding. There's no bruising. You don't feel a thing. You are lying. No pain. No pain. Nothing. It's just the craziest thing you've ever seen.
Because I've seen people after liposuction, and it's not fun.
No.
They can barely walk.
Yes, and there's bruising, and sometimes the results are very lumpy.
It's kind of ugly, actually.
Right, but for some people, it's like, God, I finally feel like I can fit into my pants again.
Right, right.
So, again, another one of these terrific, this is why I love technology. Technology is solving our problems. It does create other problems relative to computers.
Sure.
But technology solves problems, and it's a common sense. Now, if you could lose the inches by dieting and exercise, of course we'd all do that. But some people, our lifestyles and their stress levels just don't acclimate to that. Or I'll use my wife as an example. We just had a baby 11 months ago. And she's put on a little bit of a pooch in her belly, and it's frustrating.
It happens.
It happens. And it's hard to get back in, and she's busy, and she's up all night, so it's not like she can really keep her diet, the way that she wants it and exercise. She's tired.
Right.
Now you can do a non-invasive procedure that literally removes that fat from your system with no downtime, no risk of surgery, no risk of infection. Remember the story about Kanye West? His mother going in for plastic surgery and never woke up.
Yeah.
So there's no risk from general anesthesia. None of those risks associated with this. And it's just an incredible methodology to allow people to either see the light at the end of the tunnel for themselves if they just need to get something jump-started, or to remove that last inch or two that just is stubborn and just doesn't seem to go away. You'll feel your pants will fit better. 3 to 5 inches. It's pretty incredible.
That's amazing. And how long is the typical treatment for that?
It's a 40-minute treatment. You lie on your back for 20. We turn you over, and 20, and you literally don't feel anything. You're lying there, in your shorts,
listening to music or whatever.
Listening to music. It's a really peaceful spa-like environment, and that's it. And you have to do it every other day. And then we deal with some nutritional things that you can do to help support that as well. And there's some other things that go around it. But essentially, you're just lying on a table every other day for 40 minutes, and you should see 3 to 5, sometimes more inches in as little as 2 weeks. And it's just a brilliant, brilliant procedure.
That is amazing.
Totally amazing. Totally amazing. And really discovered by accident. By accident, in a sense. And so we're really fortunate to be one of the very first clinics in Los Angeles to offer this. Patients who are people who might be interested can go to perfectlaserbody.com to get more information. That's perfectlaserbody.com. Again, perfectlaserbody, one word, .com. So go to perfectlaserbody.com. You can read about it. You can read about other testimonials. You can see some of the before and after pictures of some of our patients, and it will truly blow you away. And if that looks like something that's interesting to you, then please feel free to give the office a call, and we can help you out with that. So it's been a very nice adjunct, a nice transition also to help people who have had back pain. We start to get them out of their pain, and they want to lose some weight. Then we can help them on this level also and make them feel good. So now they're out of pain and they're looking good for summer.
All right.